Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum everyone. Hopefully you all will be fine and enjoying studying a lot at home. Today we will discuss first practical, differentiate between different types of cells and tissue by given pictures. As you know, human body is made up of trillions of cells and there are 200 different types of cells in human body. Cells are the smallest building unit of living thing and human body is made up of cells. For example, there are bone cells, muscle cells, heart cells, blood cells, nerve cell, and so on. Let's start a brief overview on the types of cells present in human body. You can see these are the nerve cells and they are also called neurons. Nerve cells are made of nucleus, cell body, dendrites, axon, and myelin sheath. Nerve cells are the active component of the nervous system, means they are the component of brain and they transfer information to other cells through nerve impulse. They have a nucleus in the center. Now, these are the red blood cells. They are also called erythrocytes. They are the component of blood, means they are present in blood. They are small and their shape is round and biconcave. They do not have a nucleus and their function is to carry oxygen to all parts of the body. They also remove carbon dioxide from body and they are present in bone marrow. They form in bone. Now these are the epithelial cells. Epithelial cells are those type of cells that line the surface of your body. Means they are present on your skin, blood vessels and organs. And they are laid together in shields. They are tightly connected to one another. ये शीट्स की फॉर्म में होते हैं और एक दूसरे के साथ कनेक्टेड होते हैं. You can see there is a nucleus at the center and they are avascular, means they have no blood vessels and their function is they protect the skin and other function are absorption, transportation and sensing. Now what is a tissue? A tissue is a special group of cells which perform a similar job. When cells group together, they form a tissue. And there are 4 types of tissue in human body. First one, connective tissue. Second, epithelial tissue. Third one, muscular tissue. And fourth, nervous tissue. Each type of tissue is made of special type of cells and they group together according to their structure and function. These are the connective tissues. Connective tissues are those tissues that support, protect and give structure to other tissues and organs. They have collagen fiber arranged in order and they also have a nucleus, for example in adipose tissues. They are found in bone, cartilage, ligaments, fats and other soft tissues. They are strong tissues and flexible. And connective tissues give shape to organs and hold them in one place. These are the muscle tissues and they are categorized into 3 types: cardiac muscles, skeletal muscles and smooth muscles. These muscles are made of muscle tissues. Muscle tissues are elongated cells also called fiber. They have a multiple nuclei, means इनमें बहुत सारे न्यूक्लियस होते हैं, but smooth muscles have only one nucleus at the center. Muscle tissue are striated muscles and they have a special protein, contractile protein, which contract and relax them. And the function of muscle tissue is that they bring about movement. They help in. Now this is an epithelial tissue. What is epithelial tissue? Thin tissue that covers all the exposed surfaces of the body is a epithelial tissue. Epithelial tissues are avascular, means they are free from blood vessels and they are free from nerves, means they have no blood vessels and nerves. They are supported by basement membrane. Epithelial tissues are tightly packed and form a continuous shape. They have almost no intracellular spaces between them. The outermost layer of the skin, that is epidermis, and the lining of mouth and digestive tract organ are made of epithelial tissues. What is the function of epithelial tissue? They covers most part of the body. These are the nervous tissue. Nervous tissue are the main component of the nervous system. Nervous tissue is made up of neurons, means nerve cell. They are found in nerves, spinal cord and brain. And their function is to send signal to and from the